what number is this one? From the reason do you spend away? Number 7. Please continue.
Down. Mark is going up. This is short. Now the scale is long. Oh, there is a go. It's open. In. Now, mind. Outside. What inside? This is big. And this is small. Good. One. Happy. Fast. What will be the operator fast?
Gym.
Gym is for physical activity.
Everyone, I am Sabina Abdullah. Good morning, I am Sarita Mohan. Today, we are going to create magic in our classroom with this magical box called Jadui Pitara. Let's explore the magic with us. There are many tools. Now we have. Wow, what is this? This is an early man. Okay, this is an early man. The early man lived in the forest.
डेवलपमेंट बहुत अच्छे से होता है। तो ठेला वाला आया, ठेले वाला आया, आवाज़ लगाई, ठेले वाला आया, ठेले वाला आया, फल ले लो, सब्जियाँ ले लो, फल ले लो, सब्जियाँ ले लो। दादी नानी चाचा चाची मम्मी पापा बुआ मौसी सब बाहर आ गए और सबने कहा भाई पाओ पाओ भर तोड़ दो, लेकिन दाम ठीक लगाना। अब ये सारी बातें दादी सुन रही थी। उन्होंने उनको पास बुलाया और कहा भाई गर्मी में, बरसात में, बसंत में, पतझड़ में, सर्दी पाँचों ऋतुओं में ये तुम्हारे लिए फल सब्जियाँ लेकर आता है, तो वो 4 रुपये में तुम्हारा चल जाता है। तो बात सबको समझ आ गई। खेलने वाले की मेहनत के बारे में सबको बताया दादी नानी ने। इसी तरीके से कुछ अक्षर था की कहानी दादी नानी की जुबानी। हम कहते हैं दादी नानी ने थाले थैले बनाए और सबको दिखाए, सबको पास लाया। सबने कहा हम तो यूं ही बाजार चले जाते हैं और प्लास्टिक की थैलियों में सामान ले आते हैं। उनको पता था एक दिन तक सबको बात समझ में आई। थैलों को तय लगाया और रख दिया। फिर क्या था, प्लास्टिक की थैलियों ने बचाया हाहाकार। गली मोहल्ले और कूड़ों के ढेरों पर जानवरों ने खाया और जानवर हुए बीमार। अब सबको समझ आया कि क्यों बनाए थे दादी नानी ने थैले। इसी तरीके से दादी नानी ने उनको अगर हम बच्चों को केवल लिखने के माध्यम से अक्षरों का ज्ञान कराएंगे तो वो कभी भी कुछ नहीं लेंगे। उनको कहानी सुनिए और सुनाइए, इससे उनकी भाषा कौशल का विकास होता है, इससे हमारा
तो इसके अकॉर्डिंग हम उनको ऑब्जेक्ट सिखाते हैं और 10 कलर सिखाते हैं। यहाँ से आप कुछ भी जैसे डाइस है हमारा सर, इसको खेलते हैं बच्चे, कोई भी नंबर आता है जैसे 6 आया हमारा, तो हम बच्चों को बोलते हैं कि 6 नंबर देखिए ग्रीन कलर है, कितने ऑब्जेक्ट है इसमें 6 है, कि यहाँ से ग्रीन कलर उठा के ग्रीन में ही डालिए, तो उससे बच्चा आइडेंटिफाई करने लगता है कि कलर्स कैसे आए।
और यहाँ
और ऐसे ही एक्सप्लेन
क्लासिफिकेशन भी करना सिखा सकते
क्लासिफिकेशन इससे हमारा फाइन मोटर स्किल भी डेवलपमेंट होता
और सभी क्लासिफिकेशन की जैसे कि इसमें पर्पल ही हम बच्चों को करा सकते हैं।
है। वापस डालेंगे येलो में येलो डालेंगे,
कलर चूज करेगा अपना।
रेड में रेड डाल दिया, तो इससे बच्चों को कलर्स आइडेंटिफिकेशन भी हो जाता है और उसके बाद बच्चों को पता चलता है कि कौन से कलर में कितने ऑप्शंस हैं। नॉलेज ट्रेन में डाला है हमने, अल्फ़ाबेट्स डाले हैं, प्लस वर्णमाला डाली है, प्लस नंबर्स हैं। बच्चों को फ्लैश कार्ड के अकॉर्डिंग हम लोग दिखाते हैं और फ्लैश कार्ड रख देते हैं, तो बच्चा उसके बाद अपने आप बताता है कि का के बाद क्या आएगा, खा आएगा, खा के बाद क्या। वर्णों की जैसे जैसे पहचान होती है बच्चा कलरफुल फ्लैश कार्ड और वो देख के बहुत इंटरेस्ट से करता है। ये हमारा मात्रा ज्ञान है, छोटा सा हमने मात्रा ज्ञान बनाया है जिससे बच्चों को मात्राओं के बारे में पता चले। इससे मेंटल एबिलिटी बढ़ती है बच्चे की, उसके बाद बच्चा अपने आप मात्राओं का ज्ञान सीख पाता है, भाषा कौशल में वो निपुण हो जाता है।
So they can easily recognize that and it is visible, so we can practice on the same concept.
And we are showing the different tactiles, rough tactile, the soft tactile, so different tactiles we are showing. And again, these are all our game of physical development and the mathematical development. And it's a group game. Students will be standing on their own.
And this you are going to play with.
Dice is the dice. We will roll the dice, and suppose this is the number 6. So we know that here is the number 6. This is we have given as a helping number.
They will always use the numbers. And this is going to open the mouth.
आएगा किसी को समझ नहीं आएगा जब आएगा किसी को समझ नहीं आएगा बाबू देख मेरे सितारे में क्या है। Good morning, I'm Sarita Mohan. We are going to create magic in our classroom with this magical box called Jadui Pitara. Let's explore the magic with us. There are many tools. Now we have. Wow, what is this? This is an early man. Okay, this is an early man. The early man lives in the forest. His life was not so easy. He moved from one place to another in search of food. He was scared of rain, thunder, storm, and wild animals like bear, tiger, and lion. Sometimes he got shelter in the natural caves around the tree, but here he encountered with the wild animals and sometimes insects as as snakes. He wanted to protect himself. He could save his life when he has a place. Then he collected the things around his surroundings and made this. Wow, what is this? This is a hut, a kacha house. He made a kacha house with the material which whatever he got from his surroundings. And Soumitra, do you know what type of houses we are living? Nowadays we can see some flats, apartments, and other kinds of houses. These houses are called pakka houses. The material which we use for these houses are steel, iron, bricks, cement. These are for many years. But the kacha houses are temporary houses. So we have some kind of special houses. For example, igloos. So what are kacha houses? What are special houses? Saita, just like an example of igloo are the houses which are made with the ice cubes. So can anybody tell me, can we see igloo in our city? Can we see igloo in our city? Why? Why can't we see igloo? Why we cannot see? Why can't we make igloos there? Soumitra, can you explain this? Why can't we cannot have such kind of houses here because our climate is not. We need a ice to make igloos, and igloos are made of ice blocks. So you have to make ice as a basic material to build. So we don't have igloos in our city, but you can see other kind of houses. देख बाबू देख मेरे पिताने में क्या है। Good morning everyone. I'm Soumitra Gurula. Good morning, I'm Sarita Mohan. Today we are going to create magic in our classroom with this magical box called Jadui Pitara. Let's explore the box with us. What we get in our Jadui Pitara? Oh wow, what is this? This is an early man. The early man lived in the forest. He moved from one place to another in search of food. His life was not so easy. He was scared of rain, thunder, storm, and wild animals. Sometimes he was sheltered in natural caves and on the tree. But here he encountered with many wild animals. Is the home of these animals. Poisonous. These houses are made from the material like steel, iron, wood, stone, and concrete. These houses are pakka houses. Now we have two types of houses, kacha houses and pakka houses. But we have some other special kind of houses. What are special houses, Sorita? For example, igloo. Igloo is a special kind of a house because it is found in places which are very cold. Okay, why can't we have igloos in our city? Now it's time to question of why. Can you give the answer of this question, children? Can anybody tell us why can't we make igloos in our city?
It needs a cold reason. It needs snow to make it.
It can be.
It's not available.
Yeah, we cannot make igloos in
Ready,
cities.
Rita?
Now you need to get something from us. Have it. Very good, Rita.
Thank you.
Also, she has also given the right answer. Yes, you will also get the watch.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So, igloo is made of ice sticks. So, basic material which we require for making it is ice. And ice and snowfall is not available here. So, we cannot make this kind of houses in ours. We have some other kind of houses like apartments, flats, bungalows, and multi-story houses. And we have another special house, ma'am. What is this? This is a tent house. And why it is and where it is used? Basically, it is made of canvas, or you can say in a simple language, tents are the houses which are used by the people who want to hide the mountaineers. Okay? So it is makeshift house, and you can carry it very in an easy way. And we also have a quiz for you to check your literacy. Anyone?
Do you want to very few children to have please?
Yes. Anyone else? If you want to do this activity and use clay to make your dream house, you can. Do you want to make a dream house?
Yes.
You want to make? Yes. We have some more.
Happy. I searched one name. Happy.
Happy. Okay.
Giraffe.
Any other name? Giraffe.
Then chase.
Who else want to participate?
Kachua.
Very good. You are a brilliant girl.
Thank you, ma'am.
I want star, ma'am. I want star. Thank you. Okay, now you can hands on this activity. You can make a 3D model by using these clay or using these sticks and these material. Can be also used. Okay. How to We have a